Hare Krishna, good evening, welcome all of you all for our Saturday evening Bhagavatam class. So we are starting with the 14th chapter of Canto 1 of the Srimad Bhagavatam. First canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, 14th chapter. So let's start reading the chapter. Who would like to read? Yeah.
Sri Suta Goswami said, Arjuna went to Dwarka to see Lord Sri Krishna and other friends and also learn from the Lord of his next activities.
Next verse.
A few months passed and Arjuna did not return. Maharaja Yudhishthir then began to observe some inauspicious omens which were fearful in themselves. He saw that direction of eternal time had changed and this was very fearful. There were disruptions in the seasonal regularities. The people in general had become very greedy, angry and deceitful. And he saw that they were adopting foul means of livelihood.
One more verse. Putting the fourth one.
All ordinary transactions and dealings became polluted with cheating, even between friends. And in familial affairs, there was always misunderstanding between fathers, mothers, and sons, between well-wishers, between brothers, even between husband and wife. There was always strain and quarrels.
One more verse. Take the fifth verse and then we'll discuss.
It's not moving. In course of time, it came to pass that people in general became accustomed to greed, anger, pride, etc. Maharaja Yudhishthir, observing all these omens, spoke to his younger brother.
So, what are all these? What are the symptoms of
Kali.
Kali Yuga? When Kali Yuga is going to enter, this is what happening. This is what we see in today's date, and we are in the golden era of Kali Yuga. First 5,000 years have only passed. 4,32,000 years पूरा कलयुग का है. उसमें से सिर्फ 5,000 साल. So just the beginning, starting. And this bhakti movement will go for 10,000 years. For 10,000 years के बाद कुछ भक्ति नहीं. तो इसके लिए क्या? What is the formula? जितना जल्दी हो से निकल जाओ. Get out of the cycle of birth and death. Earlier the better, because things are only going to degrade further and further. Actually, Kali Yuga, the way Kali Yuga enters, it spoils everyone's mind. Sabka dimag kharab karta hai. And that is what is very nicely described over here. He saw that the direction of eternal time has changed. समय का आजकल क्या चल रहा है? नाइट लाइफ इज मोर प्रोमिनेंट देन डे लाइफ. इट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. आजकल कोई 12 बजे के पहले नहीं सो. मैं भी नहीं सो. बट आई यूज इट ऑन अ डिफरेंट वे. आई स्लीप अप टू 1, 2, बट आई स्लीप इन अ डिफरेंट. आई हैव अ डिफरेंट पर्पस फॉर सिटिंग. बट वर्ल्डली पीपल हैव गॉट materialistic reasons for and changes. See, the problem is he saw the direction of eternal time has changed, and this was very fearful. There were disruptions in the seasons. In the seasonal regularities. The people in general had become very greedy, angry, and deceitful, and he saw that they were adopting foul means of livelihood. Foul means मतलब गलत तरीका, जीने का गलत तरीका. जीना है तो इसके लिए तरीका क्यों गलत लो? Why can't you take a better or a higher purposeful life rather than living a lower purposeful life? I'll tell you an example of a true incident which happened. I had gone to meet my diabetologist on Friday, and a good friend of mine also. He spends a lot of time discussing. मैं जहाँ भी जाता हूँ, I preach. That's my manufacturing defect. So I was preaching to him also. I was telling nowadays people have become like this. What you are telling, I'll tell you a real story. I'm getting late, but I'll tell you. बहुत पेशेंट करा था. I was the secretary. बाहर लाइन लगा हुआ. And he's supposed to. He comes from 9 to 10. Okay, 9 to 10, 15 or something. And I was sure the number of files which were lying, 10 तक नहीं होगा. But still, I will tell you. No, okay, you tell me. So listen. Something I will also learn. That time he told me. He was working for. He was one of the panel doctors for airport authorities. So he was there, and right outside the medical cabin, one of the security ladies, she must be in the mid 50s, late 50s rather. She collapsed. It was a heart attack, and she died. But her good luck, she collapsed outside the medical cell, and they got a full-fledged medical equipment inside. They luckily caught her inside, gave her that electric shock and CRP and all that. What they so, that ventilate, pumping and all. The heart revived. And he said these are all technical information which he had received. 3 minutes, if the blood doesn't supply to the brain, is not supplied blood for 3 minutes, the brain dies. So luckily for her, it happened so fast that she gained her conscious also slightly, but she was serious. She was damn serious, and somehow they revived her. Immediately they called out for an ambulance. They booked her in a hospital. They put her in a hospital, and they had to put ventilator, this, that, tubes, all the tubes in the mouth. And generally, when you're kept in such situation, they tie the hands, because कहीं आपने खींच दिया तो बहुत dangerous होता है. So they tie the hands to the bed. And that day evening, she gained some consciousness, and next day morning she was quite conscious, and she wanted to say something, and the nurse would say, हाँ ठीक है, 2 दिन में निकाल देंगे आपका tube सब. She was thinking that she is asking, please remove my tube. हाँ 2 दिन में निकाल देंगे. And that day, whole day, whenever any nurse on the shift would come, she would say something, and she used to show hands, खोल दो. Then no, we will not open your hands. We will remove the tube and we will create problem. So finally, the next day, the doctor got pissed off. He said, okay, give her a paper and pen. She is an educated lady. Give her a piece of paper and pen. Whatever she wants, let her write, because she can't speak. Fine. Usko paper and pen diya. And then the doctor asked me, can you imagine what she had written on the paper? No one can guess. She is writing, where are my bangles? Bangles. Where are my bangles? And the doctor is saying, she doesn't realize that she had gone. And after that, when she is so-called, she's in the hospital, she is not even thanking God for having revived her life, but she is still worried about her. This is what is Sukdev Goswami saying over here. Baba, Kali Yuga people will be damn greedy. At all sorts, they want something or the other. At any time, at no point of their life would they like to really do devotion, or rather leave their greed. The devotion is also for greed. 90%. भगवान ने क्या क्या दिया था? धर्म, अर्थ, काम और मोक्ष, चारों दिया. चारों देने के बाद भी लोग क्या ले रहे हैं? उसमें से अगर लिया तो भी अर्थ और थोड़ा बहुत धर्म, और काम तो भरपूर काम. मैं ये होगा, फिर मैं ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा. So basically these are the defects in Kali Yuga. And whenever a person tries to do a process of Satyuga, and what is the process of Satyuga? Chanting the holy name and devotion. And mind you, ये मत सोचना मैं हमेशा कृते ध्यायतो विष्णु द्वापरे परिचर्यायां त्रेतायां यज्ञतो मखे द्वापरे परिचर्यायां कलौ कीर्तनादि एव कृष्णस्य. So this is what Bhagavatam says. 4 युग में 4 तरह का भक्ति है. कौन सा है? कृते ध्यायतो विष्णु, ध्यान लगाना है सतयुग में. त्रेतायां यज्ञतो मखे, यज्ञ करना. द्वापरे परिचर्यायां, टेम्पल वर्शिप इन द्वापर युग. And in Kalyuga, chanting the holy name. So my question is, does this mean the earlier 3 yugas में chanting नहीं था? हाँ. अब उसमें से एक एक करके जाके अब बचा सिर्फ पीपल में से. प्रभु जी क्या करें, कलयुग का इफेक्ट है, ये है वो है. अरे बाबा, देवदास वांट टू बी बॉर्न इन द अर्थ ड्यूरिंग कलयुगा, बिकॉज कलयुग में द ओनली एंड द सिंपलेस्ट प्रोसेस ऑफ डूइंग डिवोशन इज चैंटिंग द होली नेम. समझ में आवे नहीं आवे, पसंद आवे नहीं आवे. मेनी पीपल कम एंड टेल मी, प्रभु जी जैसे माला लेता हूं मस्त नींद. So whenever we take the mala in the hand, we feel like sleeping. What is the reason? We always blame Maya for everything. Poor Maya has not done anything. For our incompetency, everything Maya. No. What is the reason? Why mother you get sleepy sometimes? Why? You get sleepy?
शुरू में तो बहुत होता है,
बाद में कम होता है.
बाद में कम हो गया, फिर अभी नहीं.
But I think depends on the timings. Like if we do in the morning, then it's okay. Sometimes when we do in the afternoon, then the afternoon sleep.
After lunch.
After lunch.
And कुछ लोग तो रात को करते. ठीक. But why? Yes माता जी, आपको भी कभी कभी आता है, नींद आता है, बोर भी लगता है. Why? चंद्रकांत must not be getting. माला लेगा तो स्लीप. माला लेना ही नहीं है, जब ना रहेगा बांस न बजेगी बांस. यस. हाँ. Yes, Sandeep, you chant. By the way, you have to chant. Congratulate Sandeep. He has done his first Nirjala Ekadashi. I mean, Ekadashi rather, not Nirjala. He did with some fruits and water. But the first Ekadashi in 27 years, he has cracked the ice. So, really very nice and makes me proud. You know, Prabhupada writes in the introduction of the Bhagavad Gita, even if one soul is saved by this book, my purpose of writing this book is fulfilled. So I also feel very nice of all my students. Even one student goes back to Godhead, mera ticket confirmed. That's the thing. So you chant at that time. You chant, by the way.
I have tried it.
Achha, you tried once. Okay. You failed, passed.
2 rounds I have done.
2 runs. One. How many years before?
No, like few months back.
Few months back. So now 2025 has come. So when do you plan?
I plan that will start.
Now I think it's time. You have to do at least 4 rounds daily. Not 2 rounds. 4 rounds daily is minimum. I'm not maximum. Minimum. Start. To start with. Then we will see how to increase it. 4 rounds. Do it from Makar Sankranti. Very nice day. दुनिया पतंग चगाएगा, आप माला करो. बेस्ट. 4 माला करके फिर जाके पतंग चगाओ, no problem. But 4 rounds, very important. You chant? Very nice.
I have started Ekadashi Gaudis.
Very good. Oh, you also started. With eating, without eating?
No, without it.
Without eating means total
Yes, yes.
Nirjala, without water or with water?
No, I take water
Huh.
or some like milk or something.
अच्छा, okay, very good, very nice, very nice. You know, निर्जला के ऊपर भी एक स्टोरी है. But remind me after this, otherwise I'll forget this point. नामदेव जी, once Pandurang, Vithala, he wanted to test नामदेव जी. बराबर गया एकादशी का दिन, वैकुंठ एकादशी का दिन गया नामदेव को मिलने. ब्राह्मण बन के गया. मतलब मेरे को भूख लगा है, खाना दो. आप एकादशी का दिन आया है तो मैं आपको खाना कैसे दूं? ठीक है, आप आइए, पधारो, मैं आपको ऑल्टरनेटिव्स देता हूँ. आपको दूध, फल, लस्सी, दही, वो सब खिलाता हूँ. मेरे को खाना चाहिए. 4 दिन से नहीं खाया हूँ. और भगवान नाटक करने में तो एक्सपर्ट है. भगवान का एक नाम क्या है नाटक करने में? नटवर. नाटक में एक्सपर्ट इन ड्रामा. एंड उधर चिल्लम चिली सबको जमा किया. पूरा गांव का जमा किया. Full village came out and every villager is asking, why, what happened? At least you come to our house. Why you are troubling Namdev? Come to our house. हमारे घर पे आओ, अच्छा खाना आपको खिलाते हैं, बढ़िया खाना खिलाएंगे, आपको मस्त रोटी हलवा पूरी सब खिलाएंगे. नहीं, इधर ही खाए, मैं इधर ही खाएगा. एंड मेरे को अगर आज नहीं खिलाया, ब्राह्मण मर जाएगा, उसका पाप तुम्हारे सिर पे. तो बोला कुछ भी हो जाए मैं आपको खाना नहीं. दिस इज माई प्रतिज्ञा. तो इतना चिल्लम चिल्ली किया. एंड में व्हेन नामदेव फाइनली रिफ्यूज्ड ब्लंटली, ही फेल अनकॉन्शियस. He fell unconscious. एकदम करके गिर गया. Namdev also sat beside him chanting whole night. He also was very firm. He was also chanting very beside him. Then next day morning, Dwadashi time was there, Parayan time was there. तब तक Bhagwan was acting as if he was dead. So immediately he created a pyre. And everyone asked, "You have this pyre you have made, you're going to burn him now? Here only?" This fellow, Lord was also coolly listening what he said. I have done a Brahma Hatya, but I cannot change my rule for him. I cannot break my Ekadashi for him. So I will first jump into this fire. You all do whatever has to be done with this body, you do, but I will do. तो लॉर्ड देखा, अरे यार ये तो पक्का आदमी है, कूद भी जाएगा. तो भगवान तुम उठ के खड़े हो गए, आ करके खड़े हुए. एंड ही से नहीं ठीक है, अभी मैं जिंदा हूँ, अभी तो कुछ खिलाओ मेरे को. एंड देन नामदेव फेड हिम वेरी नाइसली. इट वाज द्वादशी, सो he fed him very nicely. So Lord also tests you. So here mind you, Ekadashi means testing time. नॉर्मल डे से उस दिन ज्यादा भूख लगता है, नॉर्मल डे से उस दिन ज्यादा प्यास लगता है, और नॉर्मल डे से ज्यादा इन्विटेशंस उसी दिन. दिस ऑल्सो आई हैव नोटेड इन माई 15 years of my career. I am telling you, maximum invitations you will get on Ekadashi. Once I got an invitation from Kalyan, I had to go all the way over there, and I had to sit over there, drive all the way from here to there. That was more strenuous than sitting there sincerely without eating, not eating, and everyone eating besides me. And ठीक है, I mean, that was not the focus of my life, but hunger तो लगता ही है. And I didn't want to drink even water over there. So I didn't want to take a risk. Somehow, me and my wife, we were carrying some peanuts and some other finger fries with us. They all were eating. We also ate that. Met the couple, turned our car, and we came back. But I realized, एक दिन आगे एक दिन पीछे नहीं आ सकते, उसी दिन ही आने. And the worst part was this year my wife's birthday was on Ekadashi day. So, Lord tests. You have to pass the test. So I am telling, especially the newcomers, old comers also, but the newcomers, the first, you will be tested on Ekadashi day, how determined you are. And the mind is the biggest cheater. Mind is your biggest cheater. So here also, in case of chanting and sleeping, the mind is a cheater. So I request both of you, please start your chanting 4 rounds sincerely, simple. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Bas, 1 beat is off. Tak. Sincerely you do 2 rounds in 15 minutes. Simple. 2 rounds in 15 minutes. Nothing more than that. बराबर आप टाइमर रख के कर सकते हैं, 15 मिनट्स में 2 राउंड हो जाएगा आपको, गारंटी. जल्दी ज्यादा हो रहा है तो गड़बड़, ज्यादा देर हो रहा है तो भी गड़बड़ है. इट शुड बी 15 मिनट्स फॉर 2 राउंड्स.
7 minutes.
वही 15 मिनट्स एवरेज दे देते हैं, एक आदमी का एक स्पीड रहता है. सो नाउ माई क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई डू वी फील लेजी टू डू चैंटिंग, टू डू डिवोशनल सर्विस? I think this question can be answered by Shudha. Yes. You feel sometimes sleepy, the chanting? Regularly? Most of the time. Okay. Very good. You're a sincere devotee. Sincerely enduring. So, what is the reason? Current.
Mind इधर-उधर जाता है.
Mind इधर-उधर जाता है.
Sometimes I feel थोड़ा relaxation.
Relax. Over relaxed, you get over relaxed. अच्छा, by the way, if I give you all, each one of you all, one bundle of notes, and I ask you to count. हाँ? How it will be? थूक लगा कि एक नोट भी गलती से कभी गलती से कचरे के डब्बे में 500 का नोट डाला है कभी? Very much alert when it comes to money. We are over alert. किसी को गिन के देना है 10 नोट, थूक लगा लगा के गिन के, हाँ, नोट फटने जैसा खींच के फिर ही देंगे. क्यों? We want to make sure that we don't give one note. Similarly, the reason why we do that with the note, why do we do that? We know the value of money. You have not yet known the value of devotion, the value of the holy name. That is the reason why we are getting lethargic when it comes to chanting. मालूम है, पर अभी तक कन्विंस नहीं. सुना बहुत, प्रभु जी को क्या है, ऐसे सुनाते रहते हैं, सुन लेते हैं, बट उसका अभी तक वैल्यू पक्का मालूम नहीं. Yes, that is the reason why people are also not regular to the class. They don't know the value of it. They don't know how important it is. When it comes to money, we know the value of it. 500 का गड्डी है बाबा, एक नोट भी कहीं घस गया तो मेरा ही नुकसान होगा, कहीं ज्यादा चला गया तो. That time बिल्कुल 1 मिनट झपकी नहीं आएगा. Even if you are tired, when you are counting it, because you know that what is the value of that money. But when it comes to chanting or doing devotional service, there is lethargy, there is reason of प्रोकास्टिनेटिंग है. चलो शाम को करता हूँ, दोपहर को करता हूँ, सुबह अभी क्या है, ये काम है, वो काम है. प्रायोरिटाइजिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन दिस अर्थ. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी डोंट नो द वैल्यू ऑफ इट. यही बैंक जाने का रहेगा. डू वी प्रोकास्टिनेट? कल नहीं परसों जाते हैं बैंक को, वी गो इमीडिएटली, तुरंत भागते हैं. नहीं, एक्सप्लोजन से अलग बात है. दैट्स, you know, I told you now. There was a nice joke once. The king asked for an assembly of lazy people. मेरे राज्य में जितने आलसी लोग हैं उनको लेके आना. तो राजा ने काफी आलसी लोगों को जमा किया. तो मंत्री ने बोला, साहब आपके एक से एक नहीं, द बेस्ट मोस्ट आलसी आदमी कैसा है, मुझे मालूम कैसा पड़ेगा. हाँ? नहीं, यहाँ सबको लाया गया था, कोई आया नहीं, सबको लेके आया गया था. तो मोस्ट लेजिएस्ट पर्सन कौन है? सुनो, द लेजिएस्ट पर्सन. तो मंत्री ने आइडिया दिया राजा को, आग लगा देते हैं. उनका जो झोपड़ी, जो उनका जो तंबू है, उसको आग लगा देते हैं. जो आलसी रहेगा वो नहीं जाएगा. जो आलसी नहीं है, मतलब उसमें भी हायरार्की होता है ना, गुड बेटर बेस्ट. गुड बेटर बेस्ट. तो सबसे आलसी रहेगा तो आग लग गया. बहुत सारे आलसी रहे, आग लग गया, भागना पड़ेगा, और भागे. 2 आलसी नहीं भागे. अच्छा है, थोड़ा नजदीक आएगा तो बीड़ी जला लूंगा. क्या बोला? आग नजदीक आएगा तो बीड़ी जला लूंगा. कौन यहां से वहां तक जाएगा? So the bottom line is, people have got you have heard about the importance of the holy name, but have never yet convinced about its importance and relevance. Whereas with respect to currency notes, you are convinced. That is why आपका नोट, एक बार करेंसी नोट ने बोला कि मैंने सारा दुनिया देखा है. There is no place in this world where I have not gone. Sometimes टॉयलेट के अंदर भी लोगों ने छुपा के रखा है, हाँ, सीलिंग में, ब्लैक मनी इधर उधर सब जगह. So there is no place, but one place I have never gone. That is the dustbin. You will never see a currency note in the dustbin, but I have seen the whole world. पूरा जग मैंने देख लिया है. So that is why it has not seen the dustbin, because everyone knows even a torn note has a value. Whereas Mala, we are not interested. And this is what happens in Kali Yuga whenever one tries to do the process of Satyuga, which is chanting was a part of your Satyuga process also, in Treta Yuga also, in Dwapar also, in Kali Yuga also. But rest, now your body is not, now your lifespan is not big enough to do Dhyayato Vishnu, that is doing 60,000 70,000 years penance. अभी शरीर उतना से आयु नहीं रहा तो नहीं कर सकते हैं. अब वो द्रव्य, वो मंत्र, वो यज्ञ का जो विधि है वो हम काफी लुप्त हो चुका है, तो यज्ञ भी नहीं कर सकते. मंदिर वो तो दिख ही रहा है आजकल, लोग कैसे आ रहे हैं मंदिर में. अभी पोस्ट कोरोना वी आर सीइंग द फुटफॉल हैज इंक्रीज्ड, बट हैज डिवोशन इंक्रीज्ड? एंड इफ डिवोशन इंक्रीजेस, हाउ विल यू कम टू नो? If the footfall in the bad areas, in the wrong areas, in the wrong zones, if it decreases, then you can understand the footfall in the temple has actually increased. Otherwise, footfall in the temple may increase, but people are not ready to change their habits. They change their mentality, change their thinking. That is the biggest problem. So, these are the symptoms in Kali Yuga, and this is what Yudhishthira Maharaj was seeing कि भाई लोगों का जो ढंग है, सोचने का ढंग is only greedy, lusty, illicit sex, gambling, meat eating, intoxication. बस इसी में ही आनंद ढूंढना है, इसी में ही रहना है. And another additional part is association. Association in Kali Yuga is the most challenging thing. You may say, whole day I am staying in the circle of devotees, but you have to go to office. In office, you are not going to meet all Sant Prahlad and Dhruv Maharaj around you. You are going to meet all unwanted people, and they will suck you. They will change your mind. And the best part of Kali Yuga, the best part of Kali is when you all are started devotion service, you will have some problem. It may look small, it may look big, but definitely everyone will have some problem in life. And Kali will make you realize the person who is not doing devotion, he is happiest. This is the speciality. Actually, that person is also rotting. Actually speaking, that person is also rotting. But Kali will nicely present in a plate in front of you. You idiot, sitting and chanting and doing devotion service, दारू छोड़ के, non-veg छोड़ के, सब छोड़ छाड़ के बैठा है. Look at him. He is really enjoying life. He is progressing materially. He is going ahead. This is the first and the prime symptom of Kali. Kali wants to make sure. What is Kali? Kali is nothing great. I'll tell you. You all play video games, or must have played video games. Whenever the level changes, what happens? The difficulty. But the game changes. The game remains the same. Everything remains the same. The road, suppose it's let's say a road rash game, like road rash. You are taking driving. So earlier there are a few obstacles coming on your road. Now the second higher level, the obstacles are more. The road is the same. This is what will happen with you in devotional life also. When you are getting more obstacles, think you are in higher standard. When you are getting low obstacles, मेरे को कुछ आता ही नहीं, प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं आता, समझने का एक दो राउंड के ऊपर चैंट कर ही नहीं रहे. You are in lower level. Simple, ना? KG level का maths and 10th level का maths is the same. Definitely your SSC level, the challenges are more. Whereas in lower class, challenges are less. Similarly in devotion also, higher you go, more will be your challenges. The lesser you are in devotion, lesser will be your challenge. But challenges will be there at any given time. But Kali is only going to make two things. Why you want to trouble yourself when by doing all the wrong things on the world, meat-eating, intoxication, illicit sex and gambling, you can live a nice, happy life. And materialistically, comparatively, he will be in a better enjoyable position than you. Person to person, pro data basis. Why I am saying? A person who is staying in in X segment, you know, financially people are categorized in various segments. Someone staying in a hutment or in a slum, someone staying in a nice society, someone staying in a nice posh locality, someone staying in, you know, in a cream people, or, you know, what do you call as the elite people. So there are various segments. In that segment you can compare. You cannot compare on the other segments. A person staying in the building cannot say, oh, look at the slum people, they are suffering. I am doing devotion, that is why I am in this building. No. He will compare himself with another person staying in this same financial strata. And that time he will feel, hey yaar, kitna papi hai, kamina hai. And how will you decide yourself to be happy and lucky? What factor will decide you? Because otherwise Kali will make sure you will feel miserable. I can guarantee you that. ये Kali will make you feel miserable. पूरा दुनिया मजा कर रहा है, तू अकेला से. So what is the biggest thing? Tulsidas ji says very nicely कि संत समागम and Hari Katha. These are the only two things which are special and makes you feel higher. If you want to consider yourself higher, don't see, अरे इसके पास iPhone है मेरे पास नहीं है, इसके पास BMW है मेरे पास नहीं है, इसके पास ये है वो है मेरे पास नहीं है. Don't say, does this person have Harikatha? I am having Harikatha. Does he have Sant, Sadhu Sant in his life? I am having Sadhu Sant in my life. I am more rich. Why? That's why Tulsidas ji says, Sant Samagam और हरि कथा, ये दो जो चीज है ना बहुत दुर्लभ. बाकी धरा, पत्नी, बच्चे और लक्ष्मी, पैसा पापियों के भी हुए. पापियों के पास भी, इनफैक्ट पापियों के पास ज्यादा रहता है, क्योंकि ज्यादा पैसे से ही आपका पाप होता है. When will you do sinful activity? Why you need money for in a day to day? One may say, sir, at least basic luxury. Once your basic luxury is over, all the wrong things on the earth. And last 5 more minutes, you'll understand one small analogy of how we are in Moha. Moha has got a very nice, modus of operandi. Very nice modus. Once one sadhu was taking a bath in a river and was in his house, and there in the pot in which he had, one rat had fallen. चूहा गिर गया and was छटपटा रहा. साधु का मेंटालिटी क्या होता है, बचाएगा जो साधु आदमी, वो सोच ही अलग. उसने उठाया, उसको कपड़े पे ऐसा लपेटा और उठा के अपने झोले में डाल लिया, जहाँ पे माला रखते हैं ना, उस झोले में रख. एंड ही सेड, उसको जरा, it was actually frozen, like almost half dead, but because of the heat and the bag, somehow the rat came into action. Now what would the rat do? एक एक बीड़ अलग कर दिया, एक एक बीड़ अलग कर दिया, एक एक माला का एक एक मणि अलग कर दिया, और बीड़ बैग को भी काटा, और उसने झोले को डाला था अपने क्या बोलते हैं वो, कंधे पे साइड बैग की तरह, झोला की तरह रखते ना, उसमें उसने अपना भगवत गीता रखा था. और वो टाइम हैंड रिटन चलता था, उसको भी कुतर गया. तो जब वो खुद नदी किनारे गया नहाने के लिए, झोला रखा और खोला, देखा पूरा माला कुतर गया, बुक किताब उतर दिया, एवरीथिंग वाज स्पॉइल्ड, एंड द रैट वेंट अवे. The best which happened, the rat went in. Immediately, one of his co-sadhus, called co-sadhus, right? The co-sadhu came. बोला, yes, how are you? बोला, अरे यार परेशान हूँ, देख मैं आज एक चूहे को बचाया और चूहे ने पूरा. भाई चूहे को आपने अपनाने के कौन बोला था? Who asked you to take care of the चूहा? You could have removed it and thrown it. उसका आयु रहता तो बच जाता, नहीं आयु तो नहीं बचेगा. you adapted it or you took it for yourself and it has done its job. What does this story apply to us? Even we are taking the Maya and keeping with ourselves when we can easily get rid of it, but we are not ready to do it. And what does the Maya do? It nibbles our life in and out. It is nibbling our life in and out. चूहे की तरह अपना जीवन को कुतर रहा है. Every way, in every possible way, in every possible aspect, it is just nibbling our life, and we are happy with it. अरे देख माला अलग कर दिया. It is like that we are saying. Or we are saying, "Arey, it has done like this. My devotion is not good. I don't get time. I got this. I got that." Please don't crib. When it is your child's admission, when it's your child's education, when it's your medical emergency, when it's your medical need, would you not take out time? If you have a bad hip ache, would you not take out time? When it comes to satsang, when it comes to coming to satsang, coming to temple festivals, coming to any number of activities which is spiritually related, we have problems. And we have a reason not to. We are going to have next now function 14 जनवरी को. I can guarantee you in first को जो अभिषेक था ना जगन्नाथ टेम्पल में, they asked me how many coupons you want. Not more than 8. My students don't come. Very confident. Only a few selected come. Rest very busy that day. 31st नाइट बना क्या है? फर्स्ट को कैसे आएंगे? फर्स्ट को आएंगे तो भी they have got list of problems or commitments. It's a very sad part, but it's a true part. We have reasons of not. अरे साल भर में इतनी शादियों के लिए इतना उत्साहित रहते हो, इतना खर्चा करके साड़ी खरीदोगे, गहने खरीदोगे, ये वो ब्यूटी पार्लर एंड ऑल दैट नॉनसेंस, ऑल पे स्पेंड करके हम जाएंगे शादी, और वहां क्या होता है? बुराई होती है. उसकी साड़ी मेरी साड़ी से सफेद कैसे अच्छी, उसने अपना गहना दिखाया, उसने ये बोला वो बोला. द रिव्यू मीटिंग आफ्टर द मैरिज फंक्शन हैपेंस इन द हाउस is most enjoyable. This happens in every house. I also I enjoy. कौन बुला? We have to just attend the marriage. Hi, hello. Why you want to go inside? This is the where the rat enters. This is where the rat enters. And we are actually carrying the rat and putting it in our life. And then what is it is going to give any spiritual benefit? Because our focus is not on devotion. My next temple function I should attend. My next spiritual gathering or satsang or class, I have to be there. In 3 days a week I should dedicate for the class. Rest of the days I am fine. I have not kept all 7 days class, right? I have only kept 3 days, 4 days class, and 4 is for the someone who are doing seva. But at least 3 days the students are expected to come, and उसमें उसी दिन problem सबको दिखते हैं. Please carry something which is tangible rather than not enduring to carry these tangible things. Money, power, post, everything is required as long as you are surviving in this world. But your journey after death is confirmed. Please prepare for that journey. Journey is confirmed. जाना तो है, किसका कब टिकट कटेगा मालूम. Life is most uncertain with respect to the journey to afterlife. But what preparation we do when we are alive is an intelligent person. An intelligent person does the preparation well in advance. A foolish person says, अभी तो जीना है, बरसों जीना है, क्या जल्दी है, और एक ना एक दिन तो मरना ही है. मेरे को सुना है वो दो, एक ना एक दिन तो मरना है, मरेंगे सब लोग, मरे भी मरेंगे, तब तक तो लिव लाइफ किंग साइज. ओके, चॉइस इज योर्स. So, what Yudhishthira Maharaj is saying in this, when Arjuna is about to go to Dwarka, and he is seeing some things are really, omens are really bad. Bad omens we are seeing today every day. Bad omens are, you open any newspaper or your Daily Hunt mobile app, tell me one good news you get. And we are thinking, we are saying we want to be and happy. But reading all that news, you get only depression. You get more and more depressed. Hare, aisa ho raha, oh, aisa ho raha, aisa ho raha. And you know, funny, 3-year girl raped, murdered, this and that. What is it? What is something enthusiastic? And why it is happening? Because people are away from spiritual path. They are not bothered about their journey after death. And that is the reason why we are facing all this. So don't worry. We have to have a different approach towards life. And let's see how Yudhishthira Maharaj asks this question to his brothers in the next lecture. Till then, Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.